Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you all are well and enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is multiplication table for the number 6. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to develop multiplication table for 6. Well, my dear students, multiplication is repeated addition. We add the same number again and again. That is, for 6 time table, we are going to add the number 6 again and again. Now, my dear students, here is 6 time table. The 6 time table is, you can check the shape. This is a dice given over here on which the number 6 is showing. Now I'm going to take the same number again and again, that is the number 6. So the first dice is showing you the number 6. You can see over here 6. This means that one group of 6 is given over here. Means that we can write it down as 1 multiplied by 6 is equals to 6. I can read it like 6 ones are 6. Now my dear students, for the second picture you can see that 6 dice are given 2 times. Now means that 6 plus 6 is equals to 2 group of 6. Means that we can write it down as 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to, you can just count the numbers on the dice, the dots on the dice. The dots over here you can count by yourself. 6 plus 6 is 12. So I will write over here 12. Now my dear students, for the next picture you can see that we have how many dice? Yes, we have taken 3 dice over here. In 3 dice you can see that how many 6s are here? Yes, 3 6s are here. So means that we have 3 group of 6. 3 multiplied by 6 is equals to, you can just count by yourself because I told you that multiplication is repeated addition. So that is why we are adding 6 again and again. Means that 12 plus 6 is 18. So I have written 18 over here. Means I can say it like 3 6 are or 6 3s are 18. Now my dear students, again I am going to do the same thing, repeat the same thing. You can see from the picture how many dices are here. There are 4 dices over here. So my dear students, we are going to add again and again the same number, which is 6. So means that we have given 4 group of 6. 6 into 4, or I can write it down as 4 into 6 is equals to 24. Now my dear students, I can say it like 4 6 are, or I can say it 6 4s are 24. Now my dear students, again I am going to add one more dice which is showing you 6 dots. Now my dear students, again I am going to add 6, so it will be 5 group of 6, which is 5 6 are is equals to 30. Now again 6 group of 6 given, means I am repeating 6 6 6. How many times? 6 times. Means 6 into 6 is equals to 36. That is 6 6 are 36. Now 7 dice is given. 7 dice are showing how many 6s? Yes, 7 6s. Means I can say that 7 group of 6 is equals to, or I can say that 7 multiplied by 6 is equals to, or in words I can say that 7 6 are or 6 7s are 42. Now 8 group of 6 dice are given. Now I can just add it on in the same way, and I can just say that 8 into 6 is 48, or I can say 8 6 are or 6 8s are 6 8s are 48. Now 9 group of 6 is given. So I can say it 9 6 are 54, or I can say in other words as well 6 9s are 54. Now 10 group of dice are given, but they are showing you 6 dots together. I can say that 10 group of 6. Now here in this picture you can see that there are 10 dices. In these 10 dices you can see that all of them are showing you the number 6. Means that I can say it, I have 10 group of 6. Now this means that 10 into 6, or I can say that 6 into 10 is equals to 60, or in words I can say that 6 tens are 60. To recall the table again and again by repeating addition, so that the picture must be clear to you guys, that multiplication is the same as adding the same number again and again. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 3 multiplied by 6 is equals to 18. Or you can see in the other picture, that is equality sign, and then the next picture you can see that how many dots are here? 3 dots. And how many number of groups are given? There are 6 number of groups given over here, in which you can see that 3 dots are here. This is the same as, I can say that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. These are how many 3's? 6 3's, and I can write it down. 6 multiplied by 3 is equals to 18. So this means that, as I told you, that 3 into 6 is the same as 6 into 3, means the position of the number will not vary. The thing which is considered is that which number we are going to multiply by which number. That is 6 into 3 is the same as 3 into 6 is equals to 18. That is, if I can recall 3 timetable, that is 3 6 are. So I will have the same number which I will get as 6 3's are. Okay, so you can remember the table. If you remember the previous table as well, means that if you remember 3 timetable, you can remember 6 timetable as well. Okay, if you remember 2 timetable, so it will be easy for you to recall the table up to the number 6. And if for the number 4, if you remember the number 4 timetable, if you are going to recall it up to 6, then you can say it like 6 4's are or 4 6 are is the same, that is 24. Add same number 6 times is same as, you can say that is equal to multiply by 6. For example, you can see in this slide, you can see over here, and 6 times, then I will get the number that is 6 1's are is equals to 6. Now I am going to add the number 2. How many times? 6 times to get the number 6 2's are is equals to 12. Now I am going to add the number 3 6 times to get 6 3's are or 3 6 are is equals to 18. Now I am going to add the number 4. How many times? 6 times again to get the number 6 4's are 24. Now I am going to add the number 5. You can see the number 5 over here. I am going to add this number 5. How many times? Again 6 times. So to get the number 6 5's are 30. Now I am going to add the number 6 again 6 times to get the number that is 6 6 are, that is 36. Now I am going to add the number 7. That is how many times? Again 6 times to get the number 6 7's are is equals to 42. Now I am going to add the number 8. How many times? 6 times to get 6 8's are is equals to 48. Now number 9 I am going to add 6 times to get 6 9's are is equals to 54. Again I am going to add the number 10. How many times? 6 times to get the number 6 10's are is equals to 60. This is the situation which I have told you, that 6 as well as 1 6 are 6. Now you can see that 2 6 are is equals to 12 and 6 2's are is equals to also 12. 3 6 are is equals to 18 as well as 6 3's are is equals to 18. Now my dear students, 6 4's are is equals to 24 as well as 4 6 are is equals to 24. Now for this thing you can see that 5 6 are is equals to 30 is the same as 6 5's are is equals to 30. 6 6 both are same, so I can say it 6 6 are 36 is both way, this is same. Now because both the numbers are same, now 6 7's are is equals to same, that is 42. In the same way 7 6 are is equals to 42. Now 6 8's are is equals to 48. In the same way 8 6 are is equals to 48. Now 6 9's are is equals to 54 is the same as 9 6 r is equals to 54. Now again 10 6 r is equals to 60 is the same as 6 10 r is equals to 60. Do remember table in this way so that the multiplication of the numbers, that is the number 6, will be easy for you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then you need to take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.